Who's this guy?
Fish, look at him. Well, hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. We're out here. As you can see, the bike has brand new white plastics and a custom sticker kit put together by me. Looks super clean. Get this out of the way. We've already tore it up though. Probably only rode for about 45 minutes. This will all come off with a magic eraser, but that's what happens when you get white plastics, right? But it turned out so good. All the fresh plastics, all the new stickers that I put together. Bought all of them off eBay. And, you know, made it up myself. We also got some new ODI grips, the lock-on kind. Got some purple with the pizza donuts. There's the lock-on right there. Same on this side. ODI lock-on. Pizza donut. This pizza's life. So is dirt bikes. But man, it turned out good. I'm so happy with it. I also stripped the frame, as you can see, the rest of it. So no more powder coating on the bottom or on the top of the swing arm. It's all taken off and cleaned up. It looks so good. That was a lot of work. Oh, and here's my most expensive sticker on the bike. That's right, baby. Registered in my name. Up to date. Here, let's show the other side, because this side's just a little different on the back fender, but oh man, it turned out good. Some new candy we threw on the bike also. Some nice CNC parts. Go along with all the billet we got up top and stuff on the bars. All the stickers I put together. It's everything we run. Our exhaust, our plastics, our suspension, spark plug, oil, bars, levers. Rip. even the straps I use in the truck to tie it down, and Dunlop, because you know, front tire's Dunlop. Red Line oil, that's what I run. OEM Cycle, gotten plenty of parts from them. You know, all the good stuff. But there it is. Already scratched up and tore up, but that's what it's for. We're gonna do a little more ripping here. America. Say something. Are we fishing today or are we catching? We're fishing? Fuck you.